Purchase order approval report. As explained earlier, we have a process set for purchase orders. In case of chain outlets, an outlet can generate a request for PO. Request can get approved, and then the approved request is met by the center kitchen. Then we move towards the third step of the goods being accepted by the outlet. So this becomes a 3-step process. Now, in those scenarios where a request is generated in form of a purchase order, we also provide a report where you can check the approval status. So first you have to log on to your owner's dashboard, go to your central kitchen. Inside central kitchen, you will find a section for inventory where subheading of reports will be visible. Scroll down and you will be met with this report here. You can filter it out from the type of supplier, match by invoice numbers, or filter by date range. As you can see, the first column heading is for customer, then for the invoice number, then for the request date and time, then for the approval user, then for the approved date and time, then for the status of the invoice, then for the purchase added date and time, and the purchase status. Let us see the entire journey of this particular PO. So we can see that the customer is Petpooja Tutorials demo. Now the approving authority has to do these steps, which I'm gonna do. So first I will go to my original outlet. Now we've reached the approval report of an outlet. As you can see here, the status is approved, but the purchase is pending. So let us add the purchase for this particular invoice number. Now I'll go to purchase section, stock purchase, and click on add purchase. We'll select the purchase and click on save changes. Once done, we'll go back to the report and see its entire journey. As you can see here, the invoice is approved and the purchase status is saved. On which date, which time, which user, all of the details are visible in Petpooja inventory. Now this report is different for each of the outlet. So you'll have to first navigate and select the outlet, and then you can generate this report. To export this in Excel, you can click here, export all, and an Excel file like so can be generated. This report is only used in the cases where there is an approving authority for purchase orders. So this was all about purchase order approval report in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.